Guys, what's going on? It's Mark. Check this out. This is a gorgeous 2016 GMC Sierra Denali 3500 HD. 6.6 liter Duramax paired with an Allison transmission. Famous duo. This truck right here has been leveled. Off the rip, we'll show you. So, oh yeah, that's the best badging I think on any hood. Right there. I like it a lot. HD. Dirty Max. Rough country upper control arms. It's got a set of Venom Power Terra Hunter RT tires. Yeah, I guess I read that right. Terra Hunter RT tires. These are a 285 70 17-inch tire wrapped around a factory wheel. Same thing on the rear. Big old ass. Look at that big old ass right there. A dually's just a planted machine. I mean, you could difference between driving it versus a single axle. My God, it's just you can feel the just. I can't explain it. Buy this one and you'll see. Such a solid feeling driving this truck like this. Same with the rear tires right there. Big old set of footprint on the pavement tires. I mean, they're massive. Full 4-inch turbo back exhaust system, as you heard in the beginning of the video. Hope you like it. It's tuned. It's got the five position switch on it. You get your Denali badging back here. Backup camera, spray-in bed liner, Denali. Looks like there's a fifth wheel bolted on at one point in time, or gooseneck at one point in time. Backup sensors, a light right in there when you're stopping on the brakes right there. You get your side markers. Same on this side right here. Big old footprint. Tire percentage on all four corners, inner and outer, I would say, I don't know, maybe 50%. On the rears. Fronts are fairly new, probably 90%. You can still see the first initial groove right there. But yeah, no, it's a solid truck, runs and drives good. Got all the maintenance done at the local GMC dealership here in Fredericksburg, Virginia. They have record of it, obviously, it's been there. And we'll go over some details real quick. It's got a few scratches. I'll be frank with everybody right up front. Small right there. I'll grow on the damages this way. That way, whoever's buying it, you know. GMC right here, front wheel. A little bit of, kind of see like chrome or whatever, polish. I don't know if these are polished or chrome. Yeah, they're chrome plated, I guess, and a little bit of peeling action on the inside. On the side right here, a little bit of clear coat. You can see at one point in time, the rocks obviously blast flying back there, so you're gonna have some rock chips right there. Let me see, small little spot right there. Little area right here, basically abrased right there by something. Small little spot right there. A little bit, I don't know if these are scratches or whatnot. Small few scratches here and there. But yeah, the duallys, they have this big rear bed that sticks out. God, from factory, what do you guys say? Probably a foot maybe. With that said, the trajectory from rock spitting up comes back this way and boom. You can't really avoid it unless you get some big old mud flaps right there, but you put aftermarket tires on like this one here. It looks aggressive, but it throws back some debris. This right here on this side, these wheels, same thing again right there, a little bit of pitting action. All the wheels have a little bit of pitting. As you can see right there, some letters were there at one point in time. You can barely see it. If you get close, you can really see it. If you get super close, kind of see it right there. Anywho, sunroof, aftermarket LED cab lights, and they look aggressive. Watch this, ready? The sun's not gonna do me any good, is it? No, it's not doing me any good. God dang it. Ready? Oh, you gotta turn them on. That would help. Can't do it. I thought the key fob would do it, but there you go. You can kind of see them. Hopefully you guys can get a glimpse of what's going on there. LED lights right here. The best part of these trucks, if you're searching for something at nighttime, you go in here, you push this button right there, and my God, is it daylight. Look at that. Huge on each mirror. And not only that, but in the bed in the back, shine some lights in there as well as inside the bed. Light there, light there, and light there, and light there. While we're in the interior, let's scope it out. I just bought these brand new Yada motor. I've done a sponsorship by them before. They are not sponsored on this video because I paid for these ones. Same with the rear. The back seats are beautiful. You had a motor in the rear. I'm gonna try to move it quick so I don't bore you guys. Huge factory rear entertainment screen. You can put a DVD in there. Let me see. I'll get sunroof. You can see right there. Denali Incorporated. Oops, hold on. Denali Incorporated. Drop in the headrest. Right there. Miles. See the miles. I love that when you're driving a Denali, you know that you're driving a Denali because it says it right on the steering wheel. Miles. Hopefully my Bluetooth doesn't connect. Heated seats, cooled seats. That's the best part about it. There we go. Now it's buttoned up. 124,535 maintained miles. 5-position switch is right here next to my foot, my leg. Exhaust brake, which is awesome. Exhaust brake enabled. Backup camera. It's probably gonna be glaring in the sunlight. Yep. Navigation. You name it, it has it. Heated seats, heated steering wheel, lane assist, electronic pedal adjustment, lane departure. Passengers got the same options. You get a little, this is my new Yeta motor floor mat thing. Same options right there. Here's the inspection ticket. GMC of Fredericksburg. Boom, Sheehy GMC. Everything's golden on it. So, charging, self-charging phone. Beautiful wood grain. I think I said everything. Sunroof. There we go. Sliding rear window. And all the goodies right here too. So I got my personal stuff right in here. My water, my rag, and all that jazz. But yeah. So electric start. What am I talking about? Remote start right there. The button on the key fob. Let you guys check it out. Whoa, the keys are falling. There you go. Stock number, key fob, and all that jazz. Let's check out the power plant. You guys are probably interested in that. Scope it out. There's the VIN number if you want to research it more. Boom. Underside of the truck. Yep, I'll show you there. Underside in good shape. A little bit of surface rust, but overall good. Here's this side right here. Pop the hood, show you guys what's going on. All right. 6.6 liter Duramax, bone stock under here. Nothing to really look at. Fluids are clean. Everything's up to date. Brand new filter I just put in last week. Air filter, that is. And there you have it. So I think I will summarize this video up and say, hey, give us a call if you want to check it out. Passenger seat, everything's golden, and nice and good. Yeah, anyways, it's the cream of the crop as far as trucks go. A Denali Duramax Dually. You can't get any better than that. Well, you probably can. There's going to be somebody out there. Yes, you can. Anyways, if you want to buy this one is for sale. You call 540-898-3025 or visit our website. I can't 540. That's not the website. The website is superiorwholesale.org. That's superiorwholesale.org. Or you can call the main line, 540-898-3025. You're welcome to text me direct on my cell phone, my work cell phone, Monday through Friday, 540-848-2974. Hope you guys liked this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Signing out.